Is your ePO server lagging behind on security patches? Or maybe you're trying to get the new OAuth 2 support for your email server. Well, you have come to the right place. Welcome back to the Cyberscroll. Today we are walking through the complete upgrade process for Trellix ePolicy Orchestrator 5.10 Service Pack 1, specifically to Update 6. This isn't just a bug fix. Update 6 brings some critical security updates, including a major Apache upgrade and support for HTTPS source sites. So stick around and let's get your infra secured. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly cover why you should update. According to the release notes, Update 6 includes OAuth 2 support. You can finally use OAuth 2 authentication for your email server settings. It's great for those using Google or Microsoft providers. TLS 1.3 support. Your browser access to the console now supports the safer TLS 1.3 protocol. Security hardening. It updates Apache to version 2.4.63 and fixes several vulnerabilities including CV 2025-59250. And then the bug fixes. It resolves multiple issues including master repository updates failing and fixes some pesky dashboard graphic glitches. Before double clicking that installer, you need to do three things to avoid a disaster recovery scenario. The first is backup, backup, backup. Take a snapshot of your ePO server and a full backup of your SQL database. If this update fails, that backup is your only lifeline. If you need to know how to backup your Trellix ePO and SQLDB, please click on the information card seen on the top right of this video. I have also given the link in the description below. The next is to check the compatibility. Ensure you are already on ePO 5.10 SP1. This is a cumulative update, but your base needs to be solid. The next, ensure to migrate SHA-1 to SHA-2. If you haven't migrated your certificates from SHA-1 to SHA-2, you must do that before applying this update. Upgrade your DXL brokers and extensions to 6.11 before applying this update. Alright, let's get into the technical part. Log into the Trellix product download site with your GRAN number. Search for ePO 5.10 SP1 Update 6. Download the package. It should look like this. Or you can download the package from ePO, Software Catalog, search for Update, expand the section Trellix ePolicy Orchestrator 5.10, and then locate Service Pack 1 Update 6 for ePO 5.10. Then download the package. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to a folder on your ePO server. Do not run it from inside the zip file. Open the extracted folder and locate ePO updater.exe. Right-click and run it as administrator. The tool will initialize and might ask you to stop services. Usually the tool handles the service stoppage for you, but keep an eye on the prompts. You will be prompted for your ePO database credentials. Enter the password for your SQL account and click continue. The tool will check your current version and show you which updates will be applied. You should see Update 6 listed and hit Continue. Now grab a coffee. The tool will stop the Tomcat, event parser, Apache services, replace the necessary files, update the database schema, and then restart everything for you. This can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on your server speed. Once it hits 100%, you should see a green successful message. Here you are seeing that the Apache service is not started, however, actually it's in a running state. It takes time for the Apache service to start. Click Finish. Now open your web browser and log into the EPO console. Go to Menu, Configuration, Server Settings, and Server Information. Now check the version number. It should now reflect the build number for Update 6, usually ending in 1895 or similar based on the release notes. Important note, if you have remote agent handlers, don't forget to copy the same installer to those servers and run the update there as well. And that's it. Your Trellix CPU environment is now patched, secured, and ready to roll with Update 6. If you ran into any errors like the dreaded services failed to start or stop, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. I've linked the official release notes in the description for your reference. If this video saved you a headache, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Cyberscroll for more security tutorials. Stay secure and I'll see you in the next one.